है तो ऐसा होता है, हर एक इंसान के साथ होता है। तो ये एक सच्चाई है जिसको दर्शाने में मुझे कोई शर्म नहीं है।
Randeep, here, Shikha from Samay. You have done wonderful job. It's not because of I'm
You're
your
very
fan.
pretty. I would have painted you. Where were you when you were casting for this movie?
Thank you. Anyways, I just want to ask you some question. You have done wonderful job. It's not because of I'm your fan. It's because of आपका जो काम देखा उसको देखने के बाद लगा कि really आपने बहुत मेहनत की और जब भी कोई एक्टर कोई रोल करता है, किरदार करता है, वो उसमें पूरा ढल जाता है। तो रंगरसिया का जो खुमार है वो कितना ऊपर चढ़ा है। और एक सवाल और इसी से जुड़ा हुआ, कितना इस कैरेक्टर को आप अपने कैरेक्टर से नज़दीक पाते हैं, प्लीज़ ज़रूर बताइए।
गुड क्वेश्चन। एक बहुत ही मैचो बैकग्राउंड से आते हुए बहुत ही एक अक्खड़ और खड़ी बोली के रीजन से आते हुए, जहाँ पे प्यार नाम का लफ्ज़ ही नहीं है हमारी लैंग्वेज में, मुझे इसमें ढालने में वक्त लगा और उसका श्रेय केतन को जाता है। केतन के साथ बैठ के बहुत कुछ बातें करने के बाद इस मुकाम तक पहुँचे कि ये किरदार कर सकें। वो एक उनकी जो एक पेंटर की और ख़ास तौर से राजा रवि वर्मा की ये खासियत थी कि वो बहुत ही उनकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज बहुत फ्लूइड थी, एक बहुत ही almost bordering on being effeminate, because when you are dealing with brushes and strokes, I guess you become like that. But it was the good part was that we did not have an audio visual to it, so we could paint it the way we wanted it. So that was a good part. And the second part of your question I've forgotten. What was it? Oh, of course. देखिए, हर एक किरदार को आपको पहले अपने अंदर ही ढूंढना पड़ता है। मेरे ख्याल से मैं तो उसी तरह अपने काम को अप्रोच करता हूँ और मेरे अंदर राजा रवि वर्मा है, पर मैं राजा रवि वर्मा नहीं हूँ। काश मैं होता तो आपका चित्र यहीं बना देता।
Randeep, how difficult is it to remain connected with a movie that remains unreleased for 6 long years?
How difficult it is to be connected?
The movie was made 6 years back. It's releasing now. So all this while, to stay connected to the movie, is it easy? Is it difficult?
Every time I heard it was going to release and did not release, it took a piece of my heart with it. It was very hard to deal with it, and somewhere I really cut myself from it because I am still very emotionally attached to it. But films have a life of their own, and there is a part of you which is in that film. So your journey, my journey, like Ketan was saying earlier, he's been pregnant with this movie for 6 years. We're finally delivering it, and I can only feel joy and thankfulness. That's my connection to this movie.
Hello. Yeah, Randeep? Yeah. Hello. All the characters that you've played so far in different movies, I guess all of them are like really different from each other. एक दूसरे से काफी अलग है. Like I saw you in Highway. You're completely different than what I can see in the promo today. So I would like to ask you, how has it been? I mean, what is the definition of success in your mind? And do you think you've achieved success? Or if you go beyond this later, what would you like to achieve?
I don't think one movie